Here I do not have something that looks like any identity because I've got a cube there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve for a variable, and I'm going to solve for y here, because if I were to try and solve for x, I'd have a square root, and every time you take a square root, you get a plus or minus, and I don't want that. And so solving for y, well, y cubed is 64 minus x squared, which makes y the cube root of 64 minus x squared. And the cube root's fine because that doesn't introduce any plus or minus. And now my parameterization is very simple. I just say, well, I'm going to let x equal t, and then I already know what y equals. It's the cube root of 64 minus t squared. So anytime you can solve for one variable in your equation without losing information or having to introduce multiple equations, then you can use this method where you just solve for that, set the independent variable as your parameter, and then you're good.